Happy New Year, guys! First, let me grab some things to make me a little bit more comfortable and then we'll get to the video. With all this being done, let's continue. In this new 2018, I want you to bring your game up to the next level. And what I mean by that? No matter where are you living or what's your job or how successful 2017 was for you, I want you to make 2018 even better. And just like I said, don't expect it to be better. Make it better. And that's all I have to say to you. Special thanks to the people around me that are supporting me. It really means a lot to me and thank you. With that being said, let's move to the next part of the video. Here are the top 5 things I like and I don't like about Isuzu D-Max. First thing I really like about this car is the design and how it looks. It's modern and aggressive, and in combination with these LED daylights, it's perfect. There is nothing else to say about it, I just like it. The second thing is simplicity of its interior. All buttons are in the right position and well labeled, and there aren't too many of them. The stereo system is fast and very responsive, and it represents a combination of physical buttons and touchscreen, so it's also easy to use it. Moving to third thing, that is space in the back seat. As I said in the review, with the front seat positioned all the way back, there is still enough space in the back for adult male person, so it should be more than enough space for 4 or 5 member family. Next one is practicality. This car has about 15 storage areas in the front and 5 more in the back. There are so many of them that it's very likely you'll lose some of your stuff in one of the compartments, so practicality is on maximum level. The last one is build quality. Let's take a bonnet for an example. It's so heavy that not everyone can open it. Doors and tailgate are also heavy, and that gives you some satisfying feeling when you open it, and also makes your hands stronger from day to day. Did I say the last one? I didn't really mean that, because there is one more thing that I really like about this car. And that is driver's sitting position and that awesome feeling when you drive this big SUV. You have that feeling that you are stronger than everybody else on the road. And that isn't completely wrong. After these 6 things that I like, let's get to those that I hate about D-Max. First one is so much chrome. Man, I don't know why, but all the pickup SUVs, even the Mercedes X-Class, has a lot of chrome finished plastic around it. These large mirrors and door handles and the bumpers and everything. I mean, when you look the car, it looks nice and in the front it's okay. But the mirrors and the door handles, I'd prefer them in the matte finish. Second thing is wobbling of the gear lever. It isn't that bad, but it makes car look cheaper. So you can't make me believe that in 2017 you cannot make a sturdy gear lever. Come on, man. Third thing is that there is no hood strut or hood damper, because the hood is pretty heavy. It would be nice to have it. And actually, there are no more things I don't like about D-Max. As always, feel free to comment down below what you like or dislike about this car. And be sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe for more, and expect in 2018 more and better content on this channel. See you next time.